Welcome back to another video. It's me, Beat on here, and today we're doing a little unboxing of the new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera. I'm stoked on this camera. I'm going to use it for my moto vlogs. If you want to take a quick look at the back and what it offers. The whole reason I got it was to use the DJI Mic Mini with it that I also just got today. So I'll be doing an unboxing on this. So stay tuned if you want to see the whole connection process. So let's get this open. Excuse the noise in the background. My dog is playing around. All right, we have the camera in hand. Here's a look at the back. Might be easier to read now. All right, let's see what comes in the box. We got accessories. Now I didn't get the adventure pack or anything like that because I don't entirely need it. This is going straight on my helmet so I can film videos. So if you're just getting the standard package, this is what you'll get. You got a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging. This looks like the case. What's cool about this camera is you don't really need the case anymore if you're trying to connect it to your camera mount, because it has the quick release option that they created for it. I believe it came out on the DJI Osmo 3 camera. Let's see what we got in here. So I'm pretty sure these are just spacers. We got a double-sided sticky mount, and you can see the quick release on it. I'm not too sure how the quick release works, other than you pinch this and I think it snaps right in. I have not used it before. Got the DJI Osmo 5 case for it. Press the power button there. What else is in here? And a quick start guide with some stickers. And oh, also got a battery. Here's the battery. So I was thinking about getting the DJI Osmo 4 action camera, but I noticed there was a big difference of the picture quality on this new one, which basically led to my decision of just paying the extra $100 or so to get the newer one. And I do know that you can add different lens covers on these. Ooh, that's nice. And I believe this is touchscreen as well as this part, but I'm not too sure if this is touchscreen or not. Yeah, so I'm not too sure about the whole lenses and how those go on there. So let's put the battery in and power it on. Let's take a look at what we're working with here. And the power button is on the side right here. Okay, so this was just a tutorial on like how to use it. We're just gonna jump right into it. 2024. It's approximately 6:35 p.m. Boom. Cool. So, oh nice. So we got photo, video, super night mode, subject tracking, slow-mo, and time-lapse. But I'm just gonna use it for video. So we got stabilization, daily or sport. Probably use sport. Image adjustment. Okay, so you do noise reduction and texture. We'll leave it on default. And then if you hit pro mode, you can go into exposure, auto, color, all that good stuff. And then we'll end up having to connect the microphone to it. Now I'm not, okay, here we go. Sorry guys if you couldn't see that. So we got wide, ultra wide, and we got rock steady plus, which makes it zoomed in so it's super steady. Oh wow, look at that. That's cool. Horizontal balancing. That's cool. Very interesting. Oh, if we leave it off, it's just regular. Probably end up doing rock steady or off, because then it's ultra wide. Then you got standard, wide, ultra wide. So we can shoot in 2K, 4K, and go up to 120 frames. So it does support slow-mo. Probably would end up just filming around 2K, 16:9 at 60 frames a second. Probably just leave it at that. Okay, so micro SD card goes in there. So that's a little unboxing. I'm sure we'll do an updated video for the review on this camera. But in the meantime, we're gonna give it a test for like a week or so. And then I'd love to get my feedback on how this camera performs over an Insta360 camera or even a GoPro. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed the video and what came in the box, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below any other types of content you'd like to see with this camera. Otherwise, all my moto vlogs moving forward will be shot with this, along with a DJI Mic Mini for my audio inside of my helmet. So we'll have a lot better moto vlogs coming with the Honda Monkey. Stay tuned. Check out my page if you are new here. And I appreciate you guys watching. Peace.